Ray-Ban glasses by Meta are excellent for making videos and recording. We at CSI Works use it for recordings during the events. So I have the one that are, the dark ones. And the issue with the dark ones is that if you need to record indoors, it just seems impractical because you're wearing the sunglasses and you can't see very well yourself, and it does look silly to others when you have glasses on in the building. And so here we have the glasses that are clear, and I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these and demonstrate on how to set these up. Okay, so the boxing is pretty excellent if you ask me. And here's the glasses, and what comes with it is a little cloth that you can use to clean it, and also this. As you can see, it's a little challenge to get it out, so there we go. So, safety and warranty, getting started, and QR code to download the apps. So, when you open the glasses, you want to pull that up, so that gives it the connection, as you can see, and the glasses immediately start charging. And here are the controls. To turn the glasses on, we're going to press to switch this button here, right here. So right now, in fact, the glasses are being turned on, and you can see because that's the indicator here. And then once the glasses are on, the button right here, like you can voice activate it, right? You can say, hey Meta, take a picture, or hey Meta, make a video. But you can also short press this button. Listen to that noise. See, that just took a picture. And then if you press and hold it, it starts video record. And so here we go. Really cool product. Thank you.